Hi and welcome to IBC 2016. I'm Joe O'Halloran, Editor-in-Chief of Rapid TV News, and I'm here with Ricardo Diaz, CEO of United Teleport. Ricardo, welcome.
Yes, hi.
As we can see, we're going to be talking about the satellite industry. Been a great year for the satellite and broadcast industry so far. What do you think's been driving it?
Well, there's a lot of consolidation between the large operators, which has given a lot of opportunity for independent ones like ourselves. There's a lot of, satellite is still the best way to broadcast TV signals from one to many locations. So I think with the move to HD and the move to 4K in the future, there's going to be a lot of need for that.
Well, as you can see, there's a lot of 4K around us in the show. But looking at the teleport business, what's been the key use cases and services? Well,
commercially, there isn't much going on yet. We have a lot of trials. We have about 4 or 5 channels that we're putting together now for 4K. They're all demo channels that will be commercially available coming up soon. So it looks like a big avenue for growth.
So, a buoyant satellite market, what does that mean to someone like yourself who's in the teleport business? What's the key use cases and services?
Well, currently we're doing a lot of broadcast channels. We're aggregating OTT channels. We're aggregating channels for cable. So we're diversifying into all the different aspects of channel delivery and television, so that we can be in a good position to change with the market as it is changing.
And has this changed as rapid as it's ever been?
Oh yes. I mean, especially with things like people being able to access their content from devices from anywhere they want to, whether it's a phone or iPad or any one of the devices that we don't even know what they will be in the future. That's making a lot of changes in our industry.
So here we are, and as we can see, in this multi-device TV everywhere world, managing complexity becomes more important than ever, and also, I guess, reducing cost in this complex world. How do you do that?
Well, the way we're doing that, and the way we have been doing that since the beginning, is we are very close to a company called Upcom Technologies, and we vertically integrate everything from our content ingest all the way to our delivery to the other end on receivers, IRDs, and things like that on the other side. In a way where we can save costs to our customers, as well as streamline the process where once we take video in, we can actually deliver that video online as well as over traditional broadcasts in a very, very cost-effective manner, still keeping all the reliability that the legacy systems used to provide.
We're here at IBC, so tell us more about what the offering at the show is.
Well, here at the show, we're actually offering, we're showcasing our new facility in Port St. Lucie, which used to be a facility that was built by Sky Latin America. We purchased that about 8 months ago to be a backup facility to our Miami facility and be able to offer the same kind of reliability that a Tier 1 provider is able to.
Excellent. So, does that produce what's the roadmap then for the year?
Next year we have a lot of exciting stuff coming up. We have a lot of platforms that we're launching, and we're launching a couple of exciting DTH platforms for Latin America as well as the Caribbean. So we're launching about 3 different DTH platforms in the region.
It seems to be a very important region, the Latin American market.
Yeah, Latin America is interesting because the rest of the world sometimes forgets about it, and sometimes is very interested. We're reaching a time where the world is interested in Latin America. We had the Olympics not long ago there. We had the World Cup not long ago also there. So there's been a lot of interest and a lot of growth, and we're hoping that this DTH platforms become a success in the region.
So a final, probably very unfair question. If we're standing here at IBC 2017, how different do you think the industry is going to be?
There's no telling. I mean, only that's going to be different, and we're going to continue to change with it. So I think a lot more IP assets on everything on moving video back and forth. But the one thing remains the same, and that remains since the beginning of time, is that the content is the most important thing in the industry. And as long as we can cater that properly and make sure content is secure and delivered properly, we still have a place in the industry.
Do you see the market moving as fast as ever?
Oh yes, that's as fast as you can see, and that's really exciting. I think that's what really keeps us in everyone at our facility really happy to work in this industry.
Oh, it's a good thing for everyone.
Yeah.
Ricardo, thank you very much. And thank you for watching.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.